many fun and engaging ways to help your child build an understanding of multiplication at home. Using a variety of visual models for multiplication and providing opportunities for your child to engage in mathematical discourse at home can help build and strengthen their fluency with multiplication. Mathematical fluency means much more than memorizing facts and procedures. The word fluency includes being efficient, accurate, and flexible. There are many ways to help your child build their fluency at home that are much more effective ways and fun than just flashcards. So how can you provide opportunities for your child to explore and develop fluency of multiplication at home? Look for and provide opportunities for your child to talk about real-world examples of equal groups and arrays at home and in the world around them. Equal groups and arrays are two models students use to make sense of multiplication.
Today I have some cups and some straws, and I would like for you to take these cups and straws and put them into equal groups. However many groups you want, however many straws you want. Let's just see what you do. Okay, so how many straws did you put in each cup?
3.
You put 3 in each cup, okay? And how many straws did you have altogether?
24.
You had 24. And where did your 8 come from?
The cups.
The cups. So what would your equation be?
8 times 3 equals 24.
8 times 3 equals 24 because we have 24 straws altogether. So now we're going to keep our 24 straws. You told me there were 24. Let's see if we can arrange those in a different way. So can you keep your 24 straws but maybe take some of the cups away?
Yes.
How many cups do you want to take away?
4.
4? Okay, go ahead and take those 4 away. Okay. Do we still have 24 straws?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have 4 groups. Let's see. Okay, so now how many straws do you have in each cup?
6.
6. That was some quick counting. And how many cups do you have?
4.
How many total straws do you have?
24.
24. Do you think you can write that as an equation?
Yes.
Can you tell me about that as you're writing it?
4 times 6 equals 24.
Very good.
The 6 comes from the 6 straws in each cup, and the 4 comes from the 4 cups we have.
Amazing. Very good.
Your child can use objects from around the house, such as candy, coins, marbles, baseball cards, or beads, to create equal groups and determine the total using multiplication strategies. You can ask them to determine the number of equal groups and the number in each group. Then ask them to determine the total in the quickest way. Some children may use repeated addition, skip counting, or think of a multiplication equation they know.
You said we have 24 straws. You put them in 4 groups with 6 in each group. Okay, I'm going to give you one more straw. What are you going to do with that one?
I'm going to arrange them to where they are in equal groups.
Okay. So tell me about what you did.
I added an extra cup
You added an extra cup. Why did you do that?
because I know that my multiplication fact, 5 times 5 equals 25.
Mm-hmm. And how did you know you had 25 straws?
Because first we started off with 24, and so then you said we're going to add another straw, so it made it obvious that it will be 25 straws.
Very good. Okay, so now what do you have?
5 times 5 equals 25.
Okay, and 1 5 is where?
Right here.
Your cups. Okay, and then how many are in each group?
5.
5. Can you write that equation down for me? Very good.
Arrays are another model for multiplication in which the equal groups are arranged into neat, organized, equal rows and columns forming rectangles. You can ask your child to find items in your house that are arranged into the shape of an array. Common examples of arrays include muffin pans, egg cartons, soda cans, or flooring tiles. Ask your child to identify the array, draw a picture of it, label the rows and the number in each row, and then write an equation to show how they can determine the total. For example, most soft drinks come packaged in nice, neat rows. Ask, how many rows of cans? How many cans are in each row? How many cans do we have in all? The more we can connect multiplication to real life, the more we help students to make sense of multiplication and make the learning matter.
So now I have some things that I've brought from the kitchen that also represent multiplication, and they are arranged in arrays. So the first one I have is a muffin tin. How many rows do you see on here?
4.
4. Can you show me where those are?
1
row.
2, 3, 4.
Very good. Okay. And how many objects or how many spaces in this muffin tin are there in each row?
3.
3. And so how many spaces would there be altogether?
12.
Okay. Do you think that you could draw me a picture of this? Okay, so you've drawn a 3 by 4 for me. Okay, we're going to look at another one. Do you know what this is?
Ice cube holder.
Yes, it's an ice cube tray. Okay, so how many rows do you see here?
7.
7 rows. And how many are in each row?
2.
Okay, so how many ice cubes do you think this could hold?
14.
14. Can you write that down just as an equation for me? So what equation did you write down?
2 times 7 equals 14.
Okay, and the last one we have is an egg carton. All right, how many rows do you see on this egg carton?
2.
2, okay. And how many do you think are in each row?
6.
6. So how many do you think there will be altogether?
12.
And how did you know that so quickly?
Because I know that 2 times 6 equals 12.
Very good. 2 times 6 is 12. Can you write that down for me? Very good. And where do you see your 2? So these are our rows. So our
Side to side.
2. And how many is in each row?
6.
6. Very good.
Math games are another fun way to develop and nurture deep mathematical understanding. There are all sorts of math games to strengthen multiplication and division skills. Ask your child's teacher to recommend a game specifically related to the work they're doing in class. It is so rewarding and enjoyable to play a game around the dinner table as your students build their skills. For additional resources, go to amsti.org, which provides tips and resources for families with a focus on early numeracy. These instructional resources exemplify AmSty's dedication to equity and access for all students. AmSty specialists are here to help connect you and your child's teacher with the resources, content knowledge, and support to help them reach and exceed their mathematical goals.